Hello everyone, from Tony the Scar Ghost. This is my last demo at CES 2025. I'm a bit sad about that, but I'm happy to be here at Afference with Jacob and Dustin to try this ring that will give me some crazy haptic feedback. So let's try. We just had some calibration before the video to be sure that I'm not electrocuting my finger. No, I'm just kidding. There is no risk about this, just that the sensation I feel are comfortable for me. So let's see, what am I going to try now?
We're going to try the comfortable one.
Okay, let's try the comfortable one. So now I can feel like some pulsing on my finger. The interesting thing about this device is that the device is here. So it's close to the base of my finger, but I can feel sensation going on the other sides of it. So for instance, ideally, I feel it just on the tip of the finger itself. This is because of some black magic that they cannot say me, otherwise they have to kill me. But the thing is, and not just a vibration, it's just some electrical stimulation that happens here and I can feel it around the top area. So let's try another one.
Okay, this should be a little bouncy.
Okay, I can feel it like something like this. Luckily I cannot convey this in the video, but I can feel it like this. Let's try another one.
Same thing.
Okay.
Let me give you a different one.
Let's try a different one.
There you go.
This is more like...
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, like this.
Yep.
So this way, to different haptic sensations, we can simulate different things. Mm-hmm. So, for instance, imagine that I'm wearing a ear glass. There is like a button, and when I touch it, I have this sensation. So it's not, of course, exactly the same sensation as pressing something physical, like a physical, I don't know, this one. But it's like a haptic. I can feel something on my fingertips. So my brain understands I press the button. I don't have only the visual feedback, the audio feedback. I have also some haptics directly here, but with my hands free. So I can take objects. I don't have gloves on my hands. So that's pretty cool. Let's try another one.
Okay, that's that one. Do you want to, you want to have the fun one?
Let's start with another comfortable one.
Okay, very good. Let's, let me do, here we go.
Okay.
So,
it's like, I don't know how to describe it by words. It's a bit like this.
a little butterfly.
Yeah. That I could feel it here.
Yep.
So that was pretty cool. So to end this video, now let's go to the painful thing.
Let's go to a scary video.
Yeah, I'm scared ghost, so let's make it scary. What about if the feedback here gets pretty intense? Okay, I could feel vibration for all my fingers. That was like having a little current going through it, some electrical power. There is no harm anyway, so you feel I'm still moving the finger and there is no smell of something burning.
Let me enter the butterfly again now.
This is much better.
Don't want to enter the bad one. Okay,
so that's it for this demo with Afference and my CES. So thanks for watching this video and have a good time in the RMBR. Bye bye.